Tonight on Emeril Live, we're taking a trip to France. There you'll find a country full of rich history, diverse culture, and amazing cuisine. We'll go from the streets of Paris to the bountiful vineyards of Bordeaux to the port of Marseille. Around any corner, you can find a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. So join me tonight on my Tour de France, right here on Emeril Live. Quiche Lorraine. I mean, talk about a classic. Little savory pie crust. I rendered the bacon down. I'm gonna go in the bottom of the pie crust. Want to save these drippings. So now we've got the crispy bacon. The drippings we're just gonna put back on the stove. Fire these up a little bit, and then we're gonna start sauteing some onions. Lots of them. Thinly sliced. Little salt. Fresh ground pepper. Now, while that's going on, I'm going to talk about the next ingredients. Oh, yeah, look at that. You'd be happy, too, if you had bacon drippings all over you, you know what I mean? Oh, yeah, babe, I'm back home. Now, we're going to take a little bit of fresh thyme. Add a little thyme in there. The next step, we're going to make a little custard. And that is 3 eggs with a little, about 3/4 of a cup, good cup of whipping cream. And you want to season this as well. So what's going to happen is we're going to take some salt, pepper, and then what I like to add in here is just a touch of fresh nutmeg. We had a savory crust that we blind baked. We put crispy bacon on the bottom. Then we put those caramelized onions. And then we put a good heaping cup of Gruyere, which is a Swiss cheese, on top of that. And that cream now gets poured, that filling right over this. Now, you may want to do this. You see what's happening here? Can't control the road here. Don't know where the highway is going. So, you put it on a little sheet pan like that and let it take a little bit more. See, it's thirsty. You just got to find the right road. See, this guy over here has none. Now, let's see if it takes a little more. All right, 375 is the magic temperature. And just keep doing that a little bit. 375. It's going to go about 30, 35 minutes. And please, don't be sticking anything in there. It didn't do anything to you. Now, about 30, 35 minutes, you get this wonderful crust going on. And this is exactly what it looks like. You know what I love about this? You can either serve this warm or you can serve this room temperature. And generally, how it's served, it's generally served with some sort of green salad. Frisée, which is this here, curly endive, frisée. This is used a lot in France. Tell you the method here. Particularly like if you eat like, let's just say a little pork belly. It come to mind just like that for me. They always serve a little green salad to cut it. Even if you have a little steak or a little lamb, they always like to have a little salad. And it's very, very simple. It's usually either with frisée or they'll do a little mâche or maybe a little green leaf or rocket. And generally, what I like about it is they just do it very simple. Just a little salt, fresh pepper. Then they love this red wine vinegar, which look how much, look. It was full when I went to bed last night, So you just kind of want to do a little dash of red wine vinegar. You could use tarragon vinegar, champagne vinegar, and good oil, extra V like from Provence. Oh, yeah, babe. So that's what's really going to cut it. Now, I'm not doing anything to it yet. Now, we're going to go and... Yeah, new show, Hands of Steel. Now, the key is... All right. So then to serve this, I like to serve like a nice wedge like this, is sensible size. Oh yeah, look at that, babe. Man, I can't remember the last time I had Quiche Lorraine. You used to be able to go in like most stores and like, oh well. So now look, you're just going in, not bruising, you're just tossing lightly the olive oil with the red wine vinegar, and we're gonna just serve that with a little green salad like that. And that's how simple it is. Another classic Quiche Lorraine, ladies and gentlemen.